Here I'll be showing you how to download a video clip from your Avalonix Premium Series camera that's connected to Smart PSS. What you want to do is go to the plus sign and click on playback. And if you already have your camera connected, you'll find it here as a device. Select that, select the recording type. I want to do all recordings, and I want to do mainstream. That's usually the recording stream that you should be recording, and use click on this record. It's selected by default. These are actual video clips. If you were trying to download pictures or snapshots, you could select picture if you have that enabled. But here I'm basically selecting this camera, record video, all recording types, mainstream, and then you could use this calendar to select the day from which you want to playback and download video from. So I'm going to select today, which is September 2nd, 2025. I'm going to hit search. Our other video already shows you in detail how to play back video. Now I'm going to show you how to download that video. After I hit search, you notice that this icon showed up and there's a little blip on the timeline. If I click on here, it will play back video. This is video that's recorded on the camera. If I use my mouse wheel and I scroll in, I can scroll into the timeline and see that these are actually motion events. Yellow segments are motion events. So there's a break in them because when the camera didn't think there was motion happening, it wasn't recording anything. Because I have it on a busy street and it's also picking up these leaves moving, it thinks it's motion. So to download video, I'm going to move my playhead somewhere and I'm going to hit pause and then hit the scissors icon here. And you'll notice there's a beginning here, but then it says the end is at 1627. I don't see 1627 in my timeline. I have to scroll out and find that playhead and bring it back. I've only been recording just a few minutes, maybe 10, 20 minutes of video. So now I can actually move this playhead and download the amount of video I need. There's no camera that will download video for multiple days. You need to select short video fragments for when you have a certain situation happening that you want to download. So position your end scissors icon to where you need it to be. Now I have motion events here like I mentioned. These are yellow, and then there are breaks in them. So they may export as multiple clips. Then I'm going to hit the scissors icon again for time clipping. So by default, you can export to the Smart PSS path. I'm going to hit Browse and choose my Downloads folder and choose Video, and then select this as the path. And you can choose AVI, MP4, or original format. Original format, a DAV file will get downloaded, and if you had breaks like this in your video, they would just be in one file. But I'm going to export as AVI because I'm on a Windows computer, and you can choose to export the Smart Player with it if you already don't have it on your computer. I'm not going to download it. I'm just going to hit OK, and it says your camera is going to stop playing if you try to download. I'm going to say OK, and now it tries to download the video. Now keep in mind the download process heavily depends on what your camera is doing and your network speed. I'm on a local network, the same network as the camera, so this download speed is pretty quick. And you'll notice this is 4K video, so I only downloaded about 5 minutes worth of video, and this is 477 megabytes. That's why it's not possible to download multiple days of video because it becomes multiple gigs. And if you ever try to do that, that's just too much data to be able to export, have the camera transcode video, and then send it to you over the network. So realistic expectations need to be kept in order to download video segments from your PoE IP camera. Now it almost finished downloading the video. And it's doing one more pass, and it's finished. Gave me a success message here. If I go under the exported tab, I'll find it there. I can hit it here to open the icon, the folder directly, and I can do right click or just double click and play it, and here's my video segment. So what it did was it stitched together the video segments from multiple different points in the timeline into one AVI file. It's very possible that you may have multiple files being exported when you try to select everything on your timeline. It just depends on the camera firmware model. This one I did from my IPC 4K15 model, and it didn't have to do that. So all I did was hit double click and play the video. It plays back on a Windows machine. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.